Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ogun wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìgbàgbọ́ sóhun mi ló jọ dìrọ̀. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrò ni wọ́n iná ń ṣe mọ́ fún.
This is a back to sender perfume. Back to sender. This is egbo, and this is today's root. Egbo today. When you combine this together, what this can do, if you are kind of person that always complain about spiritual attack, or someone is threatening your life and your life is not safe, if you are going to your working place or you are going for your personal business, if you are selling markets, you are afraid of spiritual attack. No, there are many ways of sending spiritual attack. Sometimes before you get to your office, they may put something on your chair. They may put something on the floor. So when you match it, the thing will now be disturbing your life. This combination is very perfect for a maximum protection against any kind of spiritual attack. And it's not only to protect you from spiritual attack, it also send it back to them. That is back to sender. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Muti Olatiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload to this channel, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous videos. You see a lot of videos there that can help your spiritual life. And apart from those numbers, please don't mind those people sending their numbers on my comment section. Even some of them are using my profile picture. I don't know them. Please, just be careful. Just be careful, please. So, as I was saying today, I want to explain how to use back to sender. If you know back to sender, if you know this perf, there are many ways to use this perf. There are many ways to use it, but today I will teach you how to use egbo today, and this back to sender, how to use it. You will get new of this back to sender, new. Or if you have it in your house, you can also use it. If you never mix it with any other materials, you can also use it. So when you get this, you open the cover. Open it. You will open the cover. Then you will now add egbo. This egbo, you pieces it into a small pieces. It has no counting. Just put the egbo inside the back to sender. Are you with me? You put all the ekpo inside the back to sender. You can put as much as you can inside the perf. You can buy like 100 naira ekpo, you put it inside. Put all inside. It has no side effect. Put all inside the back to sender. Have you seen it? Then after that, this egbo today, you add egbo today inside the back to sender. Add it inside. Put it inside. Are you with me? Put all the ekpo inside. It has no counting. Just cut it into pieces and put it inside the back to sender. My brother and sisters, that's all. You cover it. Then you now keep it for 16 days before using it. 16 days before using it. So how to use it? You are not going to use the perf to cream yourself, and you are not going to drink it, but early in the morning, add this perf, this back to sender. Add it a drop inside your bathing water. Add a drop of this inside your bathing water and use it to bathe. When you add this inside your bath water, use it to bathe before you commence your daily activity. Before you go out, before you start your business, before you go to your office, before you do anything, just make sure that you use this water in the morning before you go out. By the grace of God, any spiritual attack, any spiritual arrow that your enemies are planning against you, it will never work out. Yes. If they put something on the ground for you to match, even if you match it, nothing will happen to you. And it will also protect you. Just use it in the morning. If you are having a bad dreams or eating in a dream or something like that, just add this perf inside your bath water in the night before you sleep. Use it to bathe. By the grace of God, you have a peace of mind. By the grace of God. Èyí tí mo mú wá lénìí, òun náà ni bí a ṣe máa lo back to sender fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ protection. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, a ní agbára láti protect ara wa o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni kinní tó wà lọ́wọ́ mi yìí kò ní agbára kankan lẹ́yìn agbára Ọlọ́run. Àmọ́ nínú ìmọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ ti sáyẹ́ǹsì àwa Yorùbá, sáyẹ́ǹsì tàwa Yorùbá tàbí sáyẹ́ǹsì wa ní Áfíríkà, wọ́n ní tá a bá mú èpo ọ̀bọ̀ tá a dà sínú back to sender, tá a mégbò túdé tá a dà sí, tá a wá gbé pamọ́ fún 16 days. Lẹ́yìn 16 days, ká máa tọ́ omi back to sender yìí sínú omi ìwẹ̀ wa. Ẹ wò ó, bí ògo bá ṣe ń jẹ́ tọlọ́run, èyí tán ti ṣe sí yín tẹ́lẹ̀, ó tún máa di ògbàgbé. Èyí tí wọ́n fẹ́ tún ṣe sí yín níwájú, Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó ràn yín. Ẹ lè lo ẹ lo fọ́mọ, ẹ lo fáya, ẹ máa da díẹ̀díẹ̀ sínú omi ìwẹ̀, drop ti tó. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ṣe wà yìí ní ńlá ni, èèyàn lè lò ó. Kódà bó ṣe wà lọ́wọ́ mi, èèyàn lè lò ó láàrin oṣù 6, èèyàn sì ń lò lọ. Drop díẹ̀ náà ni ẹ máa fi ṣe dìtọ̀, yàtọ̀ sí dìtọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ máa ń lò tó kàn máa ń pa kòkòrò lásán. Eléyìí, gbogbo nǹkan burúkú tó wà lára, eléyìí ò pa kòkòrò. Tó bá wù ẹ́ lo dìtọ̀, ẹ kọ́kọ́ bu dìtọ̀ sínú omi ìwẹ̀ yẹn, wá há délé sí, kó sà ti wà nínú omi kẹ́ fi sanra. Ẹ̀yẹn dán wò. Tó bá jẹ́ pé alẹ́ òun la lò, ẹ̀yẹn wo nǹkan tí ó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ti dáadáa, ànírà burú lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiola tí wọ́n ìtàyè mọ̀ sí wí jẹ́. tó bá dìgbà míì á tó múrò mi tuntun wá tó sí ẹwà ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi ìta ti ṣe àti ìta ti ṣe torí pé ìta ti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. Dàbọ̀.
Ẹgbẹ́ ìwé ń jẹ iwájú ṣáni tí tàwa Ọlọ́run ló dé wa láyé yìí ṣe bóun lóhun tó ṣológun ló wà lẹ́ṣà ẹgbẹ́ wa ò ní tú o. Alright èèyàn mi ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sọ́dọ̀ Dr. Mutiu Táíwò Ọlátìgbóyè yìí president ti a ní èjì rẹ o wíríwírí lójú orogún ó èjì wọ̀rọ̀ lójú mẹ́mà ẹ̀ Táíwò ti.